Okay, so I turned off the stream for a bit, and just as a bit of a confession. So I have three screens going on here. This is my paper trading screen. On this screen here, I have the trading combine that I'm working on. Now, we can see that I took profit here, but this was actually my third buy-in for this account. And I'm not proud of it, because I was literally just chasing that win, right? Over leveraging. So we can see here, like I was just using 15 lots, right? And that's what's resulted in these really big hits here, right? And I'm thinking to myself, it could have been way easier, so much easier, because on the paper trading account, I set a limit order, I sized properly, and it was, if this was the actual trade I took, it was less stressful because I wasn't micromanaging like 20 trades during this pre-market area right here. So just to go through what happened with price today, I was bullish. So I was bullish, and pretty much I set my target to be this area of liquidity here, formed within this midnight range. And I saw this opportunity came up, so I set a limit order there, and like it hit literally perfectly in alignment with this breaker and this fair value gap created from this reaction when price tapped into that first quadrant of the new week opening gap. And so we see that when price hit that limit order, this is the reaction that I really wanted to see. And because it's pre-market, we drove into this CIVI that was created during midnight. We could also see that as the first presented fair value gap. And so price started chopping, rebalancing price in here. Market open 9:30. You see another reaction, but wasn't enough to push it towards those highs. So we see another deeper retracement back into this breaker, right? Testing what, some people might call a support level. And then from there, that's the real move that happened. So learning lesson here is I should just size properly. Having, profited this much on the trading combine, but after my third try, I'm honestly not very proud of it. And I'm hoping that I can do better moving forward. It's all I can really hope to do. But some things that I did better today was that I properly analyzed the market and identified, my PD arrays. And I'm still working on it, but I was able to sit on my hands at least for a bit longer until price was able to reach a area of interest for me. I still need to refine. I still need to refine and filter out a lot more trades, right? Because my instinctive reaction to taking an initial loss is to literally just re-enter. And I did that again and again so many times today. Like, I mean, this was just gone in like 2 trades, you know, like 15 contracts, just boom, just lost. That was the second one. I think it's already cleared the first combine that I tried. I'm gonna work harder to be more honest and transparent with what I'm doing and like, you know, the trades I'm taking moving forward. I think more than anything, I need to hold myself accountable. Especially with this, you know, so it's a mixture of patience, it's a mixture of honesty, it's a mixture of pretty much just waiting for the right setup and being able to say, hey, look, there's no setup today. I'm not going to make a trade. But I'll leave it there for now. I'm going to try and get back into the groove of things. Ever since I grinded out, you know, the 5 accounts, I think around June, you know, things were pretty good. And it's been like 5 months since then. Yeah, and I lost those 5 accounts. I wasn't able to mentally get back into it. It was very traumatizing, to say the least. But I'm hoping that, you know, after many months of reflection and trying to ground myself and just trying to see the bigger picture of things, I'm hoping I can get back to that get back to that checkpoint, because mentally I know that I can do it. Mentally I've been there. Mentally I've been there before. And that checkpoint has been ingrained in my mind. But, you know, having lost it all, it's at a point it never felt, it felt further away. But, you know, I just need to stick to the process. So